What's up? Sam here with Freedom Chaser. Today I'm going to be changing a PCV valve in my 2014 Kia Soul. Last week I noticed that I was losing oil and I didn't see any oil leaks, so I took it in to the mechanic and he said that I needed to replace my PCV valve. So I got a quote from him and it was a lot of money, so I decided to do it myself and record and show you guys just how easy it is to change. This is the PCV valve that I got. I purchased it from a local auto store. It was about $6 and it is specifically for a 1.6 liter engine. They had, for the 2014 Kia Soul, they had either 1.6 or 2.0 liter. And again, this is a 1.6. That's what it looks like. Small. The valve is located underneath this cover on top of the engine. So what we're going to do is we're just going to pop it off first so I can show you where it goes. Okay. Easy. This is what the back of it looks like if you're curious. The cows. Okay, this is right here. This is where the valve goes in. So you'll see we have this clamp right here that we're going to need to get something to squeeze it together and pull it off. Get yourself some pliers. If you can't get it off, it's easy to pinch and pull it. Okay. I grabbed a ratchet with a long socket that is 13/16 of an inch to get out this old valve. There was a mistake at the auto store, so this valve wasn't the same one in the box, so we had to go and get the right one. See? This one looks just like this one. I want to double check before you go to the store to make sure you're getting the right one. At the auto store, they had to look at my license plate to determine what size the engine was. And I told them and they said it was a 1.6, but they gave me the wrong one based off of my license plate and the engine. So just double check whenever you go. Maybe you could take this piece out and take it with you to the store just so you don't have to make a second trip. I'm just going to clean it out just a little bit. Remember not to tighten it too hard because it's plastic. You can break it. Okay. Now back with this. We're going to put this tubing back on. like so. Okay. And these clamps, we've got to push them right back up where they were. You can kind of see the groove where it used to be, so you know where to put it. Like that. Ta-da. And then you're going to put the cover back on. If you see these holes right here, or that's not really a hole, but that's a hole, and you can see where they snap in on the engine right there. This one is going to slide in to right here, as opposed to these that just go down into the hole. The cover is on. The PCV valve is changed on the 2014 Kia Soul 1.6 liter engine. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.